This is the best putter cover money can buy. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I have picked up a putter cover by this company, ReadyPutt, before, and it just blew me away. So I'm putting my money where my mouth is, and I picked up another one because all of my important putters are going to be covered by this. Let me show you why. So in some cases, you may just lose your putter cover. Maybe falls out of your pocket, maybe leave it on a green somewhere. You know, there are all sorts of reasons that you might need to replace a putter cover. Now, you might just want to replace the putter cover that comes with your putter anyway. I have done that, and even on my expensive putter, they all wear this. It's a ReadyPutt putter cover. And I want to show you why this thing is amazing. First of all, it is the best putter cover on the market, no matter what price point. And what I want to show you here is that it looks like any other putter cover, but the devil's in the details. Now, this one has some special things that make it even better. I think maybe the best of the ReadyPutt putter covers. So first of all, you can see right up here on the top of this putter cover, you know this one's for blades. They do have it in mallet too. You have Velcro here on this side, and then you have a little terry cloth ball cleaner. So you just wet this before your round. There's an impermeable layer in there. Then you can clean your golf ball off when you get to the green so that you have a nice shiny golf ball so you can make your putts. You can leave it on your putter cover. You just wet it, put it on there, and now you can do this. But you can buy replacements of this when you need to. Now, the other thing that is really awesome about this is on the flip side here, down here with this little neoprene area, there is a little magnet in here. There's a little strip of a magnet right in here. It feels like it's a couple inches long, maybe 2.5 inches long, and maybe about a half an inch wide, but it is super magnetic. Now, here is my Northwestern ball marker. It's a typical little magnetic ball marker that you can use with a hat clip or something like that. But if I put that on there, this thing is actually crazy strong, and it's not going off. You know, it's easy to grab, but it's just nice because you can put that on there, a divot repair tool, have all of that right under there. It doesn't interfere with the look of the putter because it's underneath. You don't have to worry about it falling off. Look at that. I mean, if you're riding around in the golf cart and it's really bumpy, you don't have to worry about it going anywhere, but then it's right there when you need it. Some of the putter covers I've seen that have like magnetic ball markers are on the side here. Some have them in the putter grip handle. You don't need that. It's right here. So it allows you not to have to modify your putter in any way. Now, this one is actually called the ReadyPutt. There is another one called the ReadyPutt PLUS, which I also have, which is made out of ballistic nylon. This is actually made out of what looks like a vinyl, and it has a leather-like look. Now, you can get them in different colors, but it is soft, it is padded, it actually looks really premium. You can see the Velcro closure here. Open it up and you have like this, well, you know, velvet-like microfiber lining, so you don't have to worry about anything getting scratched. I actually love this strap here so that you can really tighten this down depending on how much play you want your putter to have. But you also don't have to worry about having a big hang-off here where there's a Velcro strip inside or maybe magnets. You know, it's actually very space efficient. But I actually think this is so soft and so nice looking, and I think it'll be easy to clean, that I actually like the ReadyPutt over the ReadyPutt Plus, to be really honest. I mean, they're both great. But the advantage of this is that it's also $5 cheaper. So the ReadyPutt Plus is 30 bucks and the ReadyPutt here is only 25. So I think it's an incredible value for the ball cleaner, the magnetic ball marker and divot tool holder, as well as just a premium, nice feeling protective putter head cover here. So if you want to pick this up, I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.